Hi everyone, we're on to week 7. It's getting really close to the end of our course. So this week, we are going to be discussing how to present your research to an audience. We are also going to be taking a look at how historical lenses influence research, and our week will continue with a discussion about the value of studying history. We're also going to talk a little bit about how we are all part of living history. This week, you have one assignment, and that one assignment is your 7-1 activity presentation planning worksheet. This assignment is due by Friday, April 16th. As always, there'll be an announcement during the week that goes over this assignment. If you need any support, you can always visit me during my office hours, which are on Mondays from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm also available through email, and you can post your questions in the general questions discussion board. Don't forget, you also have the option to attend the live lecture. Live lectures are held on Tuesdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Instructors John Hebel and Ryan Tripp will go over all the topics for the week and give you some extra information on your assignments. Now, if you are unable to attend the lecture live, you can always watch a recording of that live lecture as well. You'll find all this information in the announcements. So have a great week, everybody. Remember, I'm here if you need me, and thanks for watching.